Hello guys, today we're in Skinclub again. If you wanna play with Skinclub, link in the description and pinned comments guys. If you want a free balance and free deposit bonus, link in the description and pinned comments. If you want deposit site, click this button. In the first method here guys, Visa, Mastercards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, Crypto, CS2 skins in the first method here. If you wanna play with Skinclub, link in the description and pinned comments. Don't forget this guys. Okay guys, I'm going to firstly send this Serenity case. I'll try this case 4 times. Let's go guys. I'll try this case. Cyrex, I don't like this so much. Let's go one more. Okay, not bad. Let's go one more time. Exclusive draw, please, bro. That's so close. Why? Okay, I'm going to battles, guys. I'll try battles. This looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Let's go. Start with both 2 players. Let's go. Nah, bro. What is this start? Okay. Hyper is not bad. Okay, player 3 is good. Let's go. Give me good items, bro. Nah, that's really bad. That's really bad. Okay. Win so much more, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Not bad. Okay. Good one. Okay, who's gonna win? I think we lose this battle. Yeah. It's really bad. Okay, I try one more battle, guys. Uh, um, this looks good. Let's go. Okay. Bro, come on. Last two. Okay. I'm finished. Okay. Okay, so I try my events market. I go to my events market and I buy a race on this. Let's go. I try upgrader. This free, guys. This is my event points. This is really free. Uh, First I try here. Try it. Let's go. Okay, it's really close. Oh, you good one. Let's go try one more, right? Let's go. Okay, this is really close. Got it. Got it. This is really good. Okay, my last chance. Oh. Nah, that's really bad for us. Nah, that's really good. Let's go right. Nah, no, not this. Nah. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. If you wanna play the Skinclub and free skins, link in the description. Subscribe me, see you later again.